Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the right TTS model for narration. Choose a neural model for natural tone or a smaller parametric model for speed. Once chosen, collect 5 to 10 minutes of clean reference audio recorded at 44, 1K HZ and label sections by style. Then make sure your workstation has Python 3, 8+, a virtual environment, and GPU drivers installed if you plan to train or fine-tune. This saves hours later. Begin cloning the model repo and installing dependencies now. Next, preprocess and align your data. Trim silence, normalize loudness to around -23 LUFS, and split into training/validation sets. Use a forced alignment tool to get accurate text-to-audio timestamps. This improves prosody learning. Once aligned, configure fine-tuning with small batch sizes and a conservative learning rate to avoid overfitting. Monitor training loss and listen to validation samples frequently. If outputs flatten, reduce the learning rate and add augmentation. Make sure to checkpoint frequently for safe roll. Finally, export the trained voice to a runtime-friendly format like ONGS or Torch script and build a simple TTS server or integrate into your DAW for real-time use. Test with varied prompts, pacing, and emphasis to tune prosody controls. Adjust pitch, rate, and breath markers until it sounds natural. If you encounter artifacts or robotic delivery, troubleshoot. First, check alignment accuracy, then add diverse training samples, and lower the learning rate. One tip: incremental fine-tuning often fixes stability issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.